Do you want your BMW to gain an extra 30 or 40 horsepower from a direct bolt-on modification? Well, in today's video, I'll be unveiling the 3-stage intake manifold I just purchased for my BMW E92, and you can install this on any BMW with the N52 engine. So 328i, 528i, you can give it 40 horsepower to the crank, and the best part about all of this is the entire kit I bought was only $500-600, brand new, comes with everything. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Let's go ahead and crank my BMW up with more horsepower. In the back seat of my E92, I actually have the new intake manifold kit, and it comes with everything we need. So it's basically a full solution to do this install. It comes with the DISA valves, the manifold itself, all of the gaskets, all of the seals. So you shouldn't have to go out and buy anything else. It should come with everything we need. So let's go ahead, pull it out of my back seat, and I'll unbox it and show you everything it comes with. And now the intake manifold is gonna be located right here on the right side of your engine. So we can see the air comes in through the engine, through the filter, down into the actual throttle body itself. But when the combustion process starts, you have air getting distributed between these 6 cylinders here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 going back, and the air gets evenly distributed throughout the cylinders to make your car run the most efficient and have the most power possible. So what the 3-stage intake manifold does is it utilizes 2 valves. So basically these valves that open and close, and it dumps air into different portions of the engine that basically allows the combustion process to be elevated all in total. And like I said, from swapping out this intake manifold, we're gonna get about 30 or 40 horsepower to the crank itself. And either way, I think my intake manifold's actually damaged. I think it has some cracks on it from removing and installing it so many times. So I feel like this is just an overall needed upgrade to do, because I feel like it's already leaking air and giving me a small vacuum leak. So why not just upgrade it instead of paying the same amount of money for a brand new one? All right, guys, so here we have the 3-stage intake manifold kit from ECS Tuning, and I absolutely love this company because ECS Tuning gives you a lifetime warranty on basically everything you buy from them. So let's go ahead and open all of this up. And this is what dreams are made of, boys. I have been waiting probably the last 4 years to do this upgrade, but wow, I thought it'd actually be wrapped up a little better. I'm not gonna lie, for a whole intake manifold to only be wrapped up with this bubble wrap, not too fond of that, because we can see right here we already have some scrapes. Not a huge deal. All right, nothing looks crazy damaged, just a few scrapes here from where it was like smacking up against the box. And look at that, brand new. Sheesh. I want to take it fully out and look at that, guys. Brand new, not used, not gently used, not like new, but 100% brand new 3-stage manifold. We can see here there's no cracks, nothing of the sort, and it looks to be super high quality. We can see here on the inside, this is where our 2 hoses connect. So you have that crankcase hose that's going to connect right here, 1 and 2, and then the other end goes out to your valve cover. But we can see we have brand new gaskets installed as well. So that's one less thing you have to buy. Brand new intake manifold gaskets. And yeah, guys, everything looks perfectly in order, exactly how it should. It is a 100% brand new item, and we can see here the actual company that makes it is Bavarian Autosport. Bav Auto is an extremely reputable company. They have had massive amounts of reviews without anything negative, in my opinion. But yeah, guys, we can see everything, all the ports and everything look to be in brand new shape. All the gaskets look great. And now again, we have no defects, nothing inside the actual ports itself. All the threads look to be in brand new shape as well. So yeah, overall, guys, looks to be very high quality. Looks basically OEM, if not OEM plus. It doesn't look any worse quality than the ones that BMW rolls with right off of the factory. Sweet. So now let's go ahead and get into all the other stuff I ordered. So I did order another one of these crankcase breather hoses, because it's always a good rule of thumb to replace this. You don't want to reuse this. This is basically the hose that's going to connect right here to these 2 ports and then funnel through to the actual valve cover itself. So it's a very good idea. to actually buy a new one because these break extremely often. Basically, anytime you remove the intake manifold or valve cover, you can expect this hose to break on you. And now inside of here should be our actual DISA valves themselves, because these are super sensitive. And there's one of them right there. Let's go ahead and take it out. So there we are right there. This is one of the brand new DISA valves that came with this kit. And now you can see right here, this valve is supposed to open and close and basically allow air to get inside and distribute with that 3-stage intake manifold. And now one of the most common issues that these have is that the green rubber here starts to wear off, the seal becomes very loose, and the air starts to slip past this little flap here. And that's basically how these things go bad. Or this middle flap here just nukes all together and basically shrapnels in the engine. And we can see here, this is where the DISA valve actually connects to wiring wise. And this here is actually going to be the main DISA valve, the bigger one. So the other one is obviously smaller, but we can see here that the green coating is brand new. The flap is much larger, and that's because this is actually going to be the main source that's going to supply air into that intake manifold. So this large DISA valve gets installed just like that all the way in, but I'm not going to put it in flush yet. But they're in brand new shape. They're not used, and BOV Auto makes great quality items, so I'm not concerned about this thing lasting really the whole longevity of the engine itself. And then it looks like inside of here it came with a few extra things. I really don't know what this is. I think this is actually the gasket to line the inside right here, but I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, we have some more gaskets here. Oh, these actually look like more replacement intake manifold gaskets, which is weird because I already had some pre-fitted on, but it looks like they gave us some extra ones as well. So that's pretty nice. And then here we have the extra bolts and etc. that I purchased to make installing this easier. And I went ahead and just replaced all the hardware and bought new ones because I don't want to use old bolts and nuts over brand new thread. So I bought all of the nuts and bolts you're going to need for the kit all in here. But overall, guys, this BOV Auto kit looks 10 out of 10, came with everything brand new, and to come with both DISA valves and a whole intake manifold for $500-600 is an absolute steal. This upgraded 3-stage intake manifold kit is an absolute no-brainer for anybody who wants to squeeze the most horsepower out of their BMW in the safest way possible. It comes with a brand new 3-stage intake manifold, which retails new for $600, $700, $800, and it comes with both DISA valves. Again, those are usually $200-300 a piece, and you get both DISA valves brand new, all the gaskets included. It came with everything I needed for only $600. And yeah, if you guys want to upgrade your BMW, make sure you hit the link below, ecstuning.com. Comes with a lifetime warranty, and be sure you stay tuned for next week's video, because then I'll actually have the 3-stage manifold installed on my E92, and I'll take you guys in for a drive. You'll hop in the passenger seat, and I'll let you know real time how it feels. And I am super hyped. I've been wanting to do this upgrade ever since I bought the car. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and drop my car and all the parts off at my shop. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in next week's video. Thank y'all so much for all of the support, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.